me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another slick down hair tutorial. I do want to mention that my hair is bleached one time right now, so my curl pattern is a little bit looser. I have naturally 4C hair, but bleach loosens my hair to... It's hard to hair type hair, but it's definitely not as kinky as 4C, but it is still a pretty tight curl pattern. Like, as you're gonna see in this video, because I'm not gonna, cut it up, I'm gonna show you guys like the whole process. It took me about 20 minutes to really slick my hair down like this flat. So you are gonna have to be patient, and I did have to use a lot of gel, but I mean, it was worth it. I'm really impressed with the outcome for how, thick and kinky my hair is. But yes, I do want to mention that my hair has been bleached once before, which loosens your curl pattern, because people be in my comments like, oh, you don't really have 4C hair, da, 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 da. So that's why I just put type 4 hair in the title, because like I said, naturally have 4C hair, but it's just slightly loosened. So keep that in mind. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this slick down style, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here is the final result. Honestly, I'm really surprised at how slick I got it, because even though it's not perfect, it's really laying pretty flat. It's not as perfect in the back either, but like I said, I'm still surprised because I do have other slick down hair tutorials, but like I said, I only bleached my hair once this time. So in the other videos, my curl pattern is a little bit looser, which makes it a little bit easier. So I don't think I've ever done it with my curls being this tight. So I'm proud. So I really like how it came out. If you guys want to see pictures, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. And I think that's pretty much it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.